Welcome to my series on bootstrapping my apartment into a compact living makerspace. My name is Kjell-Olov and this is my story. Today I want to get philosophical on the problem of space. When transforming my apartment into a makerspace, I constantly get into the problem of not having any space to begin with. Whatever I try to do, I keep bumping into the obstacle of having to move stuff around. In the end, not freeing up any space at all. The way I view this problem is that it will initially take time to slowly build new storage solutions so that I can start to actually gain space. And stuff that I will use can get an easily accessible home. So, I try to tell myself that things will get better over time, but only in very small steps, now in the beginning. As I don't actually have any stuff to throw away right now, I need to focus on arranging the stuff I have in a way so that it does not get in the way all the time. So, let's take a view on the state of things right now. Here is my current workspace I created by tearing down the wall between my bedroom and kitchen and living room. As you can see, it is still not a large space by any meaning of the word. Still, at least I built myself a simple workbench and a wood storage cart. It's a beginning, and at least enables me to work standing up. So, what can I do next? Well, at least 3 things comes to mind. Firstly, I need to find out how I can start using my table saw. This will enable me to start building things much faster and with much better precision. Secondly, it would be nice to build a second desk and workbench where I can use my computer, do some electronic building stuff, and also store tools for that kind of work. I'm thinking I can either build one to go here under the window near the kitchen, but then I need to get rid of my oversized kitchen table and 6 chairs. The best option would be to sell them. Or thirdly, I can build a workbench and desk in here, in my currently crammed walk-in closet. In either case, I need to get my table saw up and running. It seems my problem is like a sliding puzzle with a domino effect added. To build a second workbench and computer desk, I need to upgrade my current woodworking space to be able to use the table saw. And I think the best material to build this desk and workbench from is plywood. This in turn means I need to upgrade my pulled cart to transport plywood sheets home from my retailer. Thus, the first thing I will build on my table saw are some cart add-ons to hold plywood sheets. So, that's what I think I'll do next. Get my table saw up and running and use it to build some cart extensions so that it can be used to transport 1400 by 2500 plywood sheets home from my retailer. So, now back to the philosophical aspect of this project. I think I shall embrace the idea to not plan too far ahead. The important thing is to identify the direction and then take small steps in that direction. After each step, I think I will re-evaluate where I am and where I want to go and plan new steps. I think in this way I don't get stuck in over-planning things and I keep in touch with reality and hopefully I solve actual problems instead of hypothetical ones or theoretical ones. So, thank you for listening. I hope to see you on my next episode. That will probably be me assembling the table saw, making it work, and then after that some episode on extending my cart to be able to transport plywood sheets. So, bye bye for now.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
And enjoy.